Unlock max performance. I'll reveal a GPU setting trick for Windows 11. Stay tuned for a quick guide to optimize your graphics and elevate your gaming experience. Press the Windows button, then click on the settings icon afterwards. Make sure to click on System on the left pane, and then select the Display category. Now in here, scroll down until you find the Graphics category under Related Settings. And just click on it in here. You will have a section called Custom Options for Apps. And what we will do is make sure that Desktop Window Manager will be set to high performance. Now if you don't have it in this list, just click on the Browse button, then head over to your Windows. Double-click on the Windows folder, and then access the System 32 folder in here. In the file name box, simply type DWM, and just click on the DWM doxa. And afterwards, click on the Add button. And as you can see, Desktop Window Manager will be added in this list. Now click on it, and then select the Options button. And from here on, make sure to select your dedicated GPU. If you have one, then click on Save. So then what's the deal with this Desktop Window Manager? Well, basically the DWM is responsible for the graphical effects in Windows, such as transparent Windows Live taskbar thumbnails, and even the high-resolution support for modern apps on system, with both integrated graphics, such as an Intel HD graphics, and a dedicated NVIDIA GPU Windows. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.